Alright, so I figured I'd do a walk around of the car I just got in Kentucky, the old Tercel, see what's in it. I haven't really looked through it since it was pouring, so here we'll do a walk around, see what it needs. Maybe we got some good stuff inside of it, who knows? So the guy wanted a fender, that's why the fender got taken off, but it was on the car in the beginning of the video. Sucks, I have a fender that's rust free, but I was supposed to take the fender with me and trade, so he didn't remove the one on the car. But of course I forgot to take the fender, so he got it. So yeah, we'll do a quick walk around. Car's pretty dang straight. That's about the only rust on the whole car, which is pretty wild. He took the taillight, but that's no big deal. I got taillights. Might be a little bit of a dent here. Yeah, a little bit of a dent. You know, no big deal. It's missing a molding, missing a center cap. No big deal. I actually got a set of factory aluminum wheels that I painted for my car over there, but I ended up putting 14s on it, so I might put them aluminum ones on this because I painted them up and they look pretty sweet. I'd like to try to straighten this fender. That's gonna be hard, but that's rust free. But I got another one, worst case. He took the rad fan, took the bumper, took the headlights. Have to do a little wiring repair. You know, junkyard special. Yeah, that's, I don't even know what those are for. That's lovely. She needs a windshield, of course. Somebody probably got ball bat happy and gave her a swing. So yeah, sunroof car too. I was told it works. That'd be sweet. So here's the inside. Little door panel rip there. Door bottoms are clean. The usual junkyard crap. Just break it instead of removing it. That's nice. The hood latch is still, or release is still there. There's the cable. Yeah, that's, I thought this was, ooh, look at that. So that's where it was bought originally, I guess. That's pretty sweet. 142K. Missing the radio. Plastic. My broken straps on the floor. Yeah. There's the air cleaner. I threw that in the back seat. Little distributor. That's why the guy was worried that car was screwed up or something. But we made her run. Well, there's that panel. Look at that. That's the kick panel for the driver's side. All right. Well, it looks like the, I want to say that goes in the wheel well where the gas tank is. It's a little broken, but we can make do. What do we got here? Some other shield, probably wheel well. I don't know. There's the plastic for the hatch. That's nice. Oh, that's missing. No biggie. Rear wiper does work too. When we hooked the power up to it, it just started wiping away, which is great. Yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody put some AutoZone specials on it. Guess we'll find out. That's for that. Extra fuel pump. Those are junk. I'll probably switch to electric anyway. Well, it looks like someone cared about it for a little bit. Uh-oh, tool set. Oh, empty tool set. Never mind. Block of foam. I really don't know where that goes. Well, they could have gave me that. That would have been great. Ooh, mud flap. Wonder if it's got the jack. Ah, what's that? Well, that's just a shame. No jack, but look how clean. Oh man, looks brand new in there. I like that. That's the wheel well for the fender that he took. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Looks like we got a factory spare. Milestar Touring. Okay. That's got to be an original. Oh, mint. That'll hold air. What's it look like underneath? Ah, clean Q-tip. Ain't rusty though. Oh, maybe a little bit there. No hole though. That's a bonus. My other car has a little bit of a hole down there. I think that they plated. Yeah, I'm just not worried about that. A little Walmart receipt. Make sure it ain't got personal info on it. No, just a Walmart slip. What's the date? No. Hey, 12 of 2020. That's promising, huh? She must have been on the road not too long ago. All right. Wonder why they left it abandoned. Oh, look at that. Free wheel barrel without the wheel. Little wedding soup down in there, huh? Oh, man. I'm gonna have to get that cleaned out so it doesn't. What the fuck? You don't want that to rot the floor out. That'd be cool if the old tire chains were still in it. This needs addressed. That's probably why the floor is full of water. Yeah, well, you know. They rounded her off with them good vice grips. Get you a dart. Suck on a dart. Ew, what is this? Oh no, that's not good looking at all. It's a little wet. Yeah, it's gross. Nothing else under there. Oh, glove box ain't doing so good these days. Nothing too special in there. Just some debris. Something's unplugged. Probably the door buzzer. Everybody hates those. Yeah, she needs a little love. Ain't nothing special in there. Doesn't really tell a story, does it? This was the hood off his car. See if I can do this one-handed. Come on now. Hey. And under the hood again. This is just a rig because they cut some wires, so you have to give power to that. Doesn't seem to need a whole lot under here. I don't know if any of the emission stuff's unhooked or not. It appears to be intact, but who knows? It'll probably end up just getting a Weber at some point. Piece of wood down there. That's nice. Radiator's got the Mighty Putty Special on it, so that's probably going to have to get replaced. But yeah, I'd like to check the compression on this thing and see what kind of numbers it's pumping out. Make sure the timing's on, because that's just thrown in there in advance like max. So it's not even bolted on. So yeah, guess that's a quick walk around to the car. Do it underneath. See how clean it is. Yeah, it's in real good shape, minus the bends. Which, finding one of these things this solid is really rare. They're usually all rotted in here, and the rockers are usually toast. And the bumpers, these rear bumpers are notorious for being rotted out, and this one looks mint. Very little rust on anything. Even the gas tank. The exhaust looks like crap. That's typical. But yeah, this thing's in real good shape. It's kind of a shame that they were going to junk it and just part it out and be done with it, because it runs. They didn't even thought it ran, so whatever. So yeah, that's a quick walk around, I guess. There's the gas tank. Yeah, it's shiny. So yeah, hopefully in the next few days I can get it in the garage and maybe at least fix up some of this wiring that's all cut up. Do a compression test. I'd really like to see what it pumps out. Let's see if that sunroof works. That'd be just awesome if that worked. That'd be kind of mind-blowing, honestly. This would be good. Clamp that right on there. Hopefully it's hooked up good. We got a buzzer, so I guess that's not what's unhooked in the glove box. There. Open. Aha! Would you look at that? It works. Oh, those look custom. That's okay. Yeah, that's sweet. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh man, that's cool. It works. How about that? Even got dome light. That's mint. Wonder if it'll start. Boy, that good jump box I got. Wow. Maybe not. Huh? We'll try it again. Yeah, probably not gonna go. I don't think it's pulling from the tank anyway. Oh, must have a little bit left in the bowl. Oh, look at that. It wants to. That's funny. It's like, let's go for a rip. Go for a cruise. Alright, we'll quit playing with it. Look at that. She wants to go. Pretty much fires right up. Woo, got the wiper delay. How about that? That's funny. There's a quick walk around of my brand new car.